Hi, my name is Rupesh Patel. Today I am going to talk about ELSS funds as an investment vehicle for long-term wealth creation. I am sure many of you would have faced a situation like we faced in March April 2020 when markets had corrected sharply and the general discussions used to be around how low markets will go before they bottom out. With all the fear and uncertainties around, many decided to get out of market. Markets recovered and one could not benefit from the recovery. This is just an instance. I'm sure you would have come across many such occasions when instead of reacting to fear in the market, you would have been better off remaining invested in the market. Friends, it is said greed and fear are our worst enemies that stop us from our investing success. Considering this background, let's see if investing in ELSS funds can help us being more disciplined about our equity investments. The 3-year lock-in feature in ELSS funds forces one to remain invested in the markets during tough times and look beyond near-term uncertainties, thereby ensuring that the investor benefits when markets turn. Although investments in ELSS funds can be withdrawn anytime after completion of 3 years from the date of investment, investors would be well advised to keep their investment horizons longer. Investors tend to look at ELSS funds as just one more instrument to save taxes. However, I believe investors should look at ELSS funds as a diversified equity fund with flexibility to invest across market capitalization. Although the tax benefit is applicable on the specified amount, there is no restriction on maximum amount that can be invested in ELSS funds. Thus, considering open-ended nature of these funds after 3 years, no restriction on the maximum amount that can be invested, and a truly diversified nature with ability to invest across market capitalization without any restrictions, ELSS funds can be a vehicle of choice to accumulate wealth over longer periods of time. Coming to Tata India Tax Savings Fund, the fund is managed on bottom-up basis with no sector or market cap bias. Generally, the fund would look for companies with attributes like long runway for growth, leaders in the category in which they operate, or those who have potential to surprise on earnings growth. It is my belief that long-term wealth is created by buying businesses that can compound at a reasonable rate over a longer period of time. Accordingly, keeping the portfolio churn low and willingness to ride through near-term turbulences are some of the key characteristics of our portfolio construct. This would form core of the portfolio. The fund would also be open to explore contrarian investment opportunities with favorable risk reward. Such opportunities may arise in cyclical sectors or on account of market-specific and or company-specific developments. Since these can be opportunistic exposures, the holding periods can be very short, it can vary significantly. In the end, I would like to conclude by saying, as I do my bit by following a disciplined approach, investing for longer horizons and remaining invested through volatility would be my recommendation for you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.